me! Banana. Banana. Yeah. To me, Dad. Sit on your chair, Daddy. I'm sorry, I'm the camera.
Place that idiot scientist under arrest. I will have to be called evil genius.
And as for that abomination, it is the flawed product of a deranged mind. It has no place.
There's our full of energy child Connor. Oh no, he's missing. There he is.
Stop it. I just walked behind us by Gio.
Who's that, Gio?
Yeah.
What else do you have there?
No. Gio.
Just Gio?
Yeah.
Who's that right there? Who's that? Right here.
Millie.
Millie? Who's your favorite?
Millie and Gio and Bob.
They're all your favorite?
Yeah.
That's great.
No. No.
Oh, somebody disagrees. What'd you say?
Come on, count with us.
This.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
First is Logan, plays quietly. His hobbies such as music. Always polite. Says please. And then there's the terror of Connor. Look at him go.
You gonna sing?
Leave. Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy.
Logan, can you say hi, Dada? No.
Do you mind?
Logan. Hi. Hi. Can you splash? Splash, splash, splash. Yay.
Smile. Connor, can you smile?
Say hi to Dad. Say happy vacation. Look at Daddy and say it, silly. He's caping. Look at, he's recording. Great. Hi, Logie. Chicken? No?
What kind?
They're just cold chicken nuggets. You can have some.
What is it?
Pudding. You want to try it?
Pudding?
Chocolate pudding.
Got
Good? Or no?
Yeah.
You dipped your chicken in the chocolate pudding?
Yeah.
It's kind of gross, bud. You like it?
Yeah.
All right then.
Logan's dipping his in the salt water.
Yeah.
Oh, Logan, I just threw one away. That he did that too.
He'll still eat it.
He doesn't need salt. He has a heart condition.
Pure sea salt. How bad can it be?
When he's up thrown up at night. Slow down. Kidding? Slow down.
Logan and Connor, can you guys sing the alphabet?
They don't have spouts that shoot up the back,
Yeah, boom boom. Boom boom.
weighs like a pound. Oh, you got the same idea. Riley's always up for a game of hand jam. Being calm with
Chicka chicka boom boom.
How
about? She's coming back. What?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah. Beep his nose. Beep. Beep my nose. Beep. Beep. Oh. Snuggle. We're gonna eat.
You love Logie.
Hold this, Mom.
Okay. Are you nuggling him?
Dada.
Hi, Dada. Are you nuggling? Aww.
I love it best friend.
Oh, you just got him right in the eyeball. Give him a kiss his eyes.
This is great. Up. No.
Yep.
Daddy's right there.
Hello again.
Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Mom. Oh, I do it. Look, Mom. Look down. America flag. Yeah. Look down. America flag. America flag.
Oh yeah.
I jumped in it. What? Oh. Boring. No more boys jumping on the bed.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Let's do it. Daddy, no more monkeys. And then I'm gonna call the doctor and the doctor says no more
Monkey
jumping
on
on
the bed.
and no more boys jumping on the bed.
No more boys jumping on the bed.
What's that?
Two little boys jumping on the bed.
Mama, come.
One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama, go to the doctor and the doctor says no more boys.
Get it,
Over here. Over here. Over here.
Go show her.
Oh, that's cool. A frog?
Small red itchy bumps on the skin. Sun poison.
Watch out, Connor.
Okay.
Peter.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Logan. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Blow it up. Go ahead, Connor.
Double.
Blow it out, Logan.
Blow!
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Good job, Logan.
You need it. Okay. For anything.
Nick, I jumped out the crowd.
I gotta go make
What
dinner.
the heck?
Oh, my daughter's passed out on the couch.
Yeah. Nick, I jumped out the crowd.
Here. I think Logan would have been happier if we sang Old MacDonald. I'll take your picture.
From the top. Yes.
I'll take your picture.
Okay.
No, I take your picture.
What ball bubble?
That's a good.
Do it in the butt.
Logan!
Aww.
What kind of cake does everybody want? Cock. Cock? We like cock and chipper chicken. Can I have this? Ice cream? Yeah, so you're going to have cake too? All right. Connor, what do you want? Yes. How about the birthday boy? Yeah, Logan first. What does he like? What kind of ice cream does Logan like? Vanilla? Vanilla ice cream.
He doesn't like any.
Not nice. Not nice. Not nice, Mom.
Vanilla?
What does Logan like? Cake?
Probably not, but we'll give him some anyway. He can play.
Would you want him to have ice cream too?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. There we go.
We're gonna give
Am I in the way?
this to Logan.
Nope.
And give this to Logan.
Not at all.
This is for Logan. You have to bring it to him. Heavy. Come on. We'll do it together.
Connor, did you get yours? What kind of cake?
Yeah.
Cake, chocolate or vanilla?
Do those
There,
three.
Connor.